Hello! Today, let's dive into the vast and enchanting world of our planet's oceans, a key component of the Earth's ecosystem, covering over 70% of the surface and vital in supporting life as we know it. First, let's talk about the oxygen we breathe. Did you know that the ocean is responsible for over half of the world's oxygen production? This is thanks to phytoplankton, tiny marine plants that carry out photosynthesis. They are as crucial as the rainforests in providing the oxygen we rely on. Fascinating, right? But the role of the ocean doesn't stop there. It's also our planet's largest carbon sink. By absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, the oceans reduce the impact of climate change, although this has its own consequences, such as ocean acidification. Let's explore the ocean currents. These are like vast rivers within the sea, circulating warm and cold water across the globe. They regulate our climate by moving heat from the equator towards the poles, influencing weather patterns and affecting life both in and out of the ocean. Biodiversity in the oceans is astounding. From the colorful, bustling coral reefs and giant kelp forests to the mysterious deep-sea vents, marine habitats provide homes to countless species, many of which are yet to be discovered. For instance, coral reefs alone house over 25% of marine species, despite covering less than 1% of the ocean floor. Did you know that the ocean is also the world's biggest museum? Shipwrecks, submerged cities, and ancient ruins lie hidden under the waves, preserved by cold water and low oxygen levels, offering a glimpse into human history across millennia. However, our oceans are under threat. Overfishing, pollution, and climate change are jeopardizing this critical ecosystem. More than ever, it's vital that we take action. Protecting the ocean means protecting our future, ensuring that we continue to benefit from its resources and beauty. So, what can we do? Simple steps like reducing our carbon footprint, avoiding single-use plastics, and supporting marine protected areas can have profound effects. Education and awareness are key. As more people learn about the importance of the ocean, more will join the cause to protect it. In conclusion, the ocean is not just part of our world, it's a world in its own right, full of life, history, and vital processes that sustain our planet. It's up to all of us to act as stewards of this incredible resource, ensuring it remains vibrant and healthy for generations to come.